my friends, and welcome back to my channel for another process video. Today I'm going to be working on my Project Life spread. Now Project Life to me just basically means using the pocket page protectors because honestly you can document it and use those page protectors any way that you want. You can make it for just specific events. It could be documenting weekly, which a lot of people do, or it could even be documenting monthly, and that's something that I use it for all the time. I document using the pocket pages by monthly or for events, and in this case today I'm going to be working on an event. Now I didn't take a whole lot of photos in June. Honestly, it was just this event and then one of my daughter, which if you haven't checked that out, it was just her where she fell asleep eating a cookie. But my original plan, because this video is going to be extremely short, my original plan was going to be this monochromatic pocket page. And I thought my jumping off point was that green title card that you just saw. That was by Studio Calico. It was a gather kit. But as I was, actually that part did not get into this video, but I had all of my cards green. And as I was starting to look at all the embellishments that came with it, it really didn't fit the story that I wanted to tell. So I went back into my stash and I started looking at Allie Edwards kits. Now these are from her June and July Story by the Month kit and also from the Lost and Found. And I felt like those cards worked a lot better for this, especially that title card that you see. And then I realized adventure was the best way to learn. And it couldn't be more true, that quote. We had San Diego Zoo passes, and we use those passes so much because we got access to both parks, which is the Safari Park and the San Diego Zoo. And when they're little, that like you see here in the photo, that really is a time where we were kind of talking about the animals and telling them their names. So that, like I said, that title card was perfect. Now, when I was looking through the embellishments, I did really like this chipboard that says Love June because it does state the month that we're in, which I always try to do at least on one of my pocket pages because there's times where I will have random photos for the month of, let's say, June, and then I'll have an event also in the month of June. So since this was the only sleeve that I said that I had to document our whole entire month of June, I wanted to make sure I added that. Now, I also loved this card that says Love This Season because while summer is truly my favorite season, and while I love summer and fall when they were little, I really found that I love summer even more now that they're older. And the reason being is that we're at work, I work for school, so when they get out, I'm out. And that is a time I look forward to of just being with my family all summer, doing as much as I can. Not it doesn't have to be extravagant, vacations. It's just going to the beach, which we go a lot. And so summer truly is my favorite season that I look forward to every year. So I like that card that says, like, love this season. And I really want to do something different. I use a lot of phrase stickers and labels for my pocket pages. So I wanted to kind of start grabbing, die cuts and stickers. And when I saw that bird sticker, I thought it's perfect because we see a lot of birds when we would go to the zoo. And so I added one of those little bird stickers, and then I went back looking at some phrase stickers. And those phrase stickers are from past kits by Allie Edwards, whether it be Story by the Month or her story kit. I keep all of my phrases in a Ziploc bag. That way they're just all right there. Now I'm going to warn you, I waved to you guys, I think 3 times. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm going to say goodbye to you only one time, and that is when I do my voiceover. And that is because I forgot I wanted to add this chipboard that says, "Oh, happy day." Well, as soon as I put that down, I was like, well, wait a minute. Now I need a yellow label sticker. I kind of like to have a visual triangle, but I don't set that, rule, in stone for sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, I was like, well, I have one. I'm just going to go ahead and use it. So I go ahead and add that little cluster. I'm going to lift it up off the photo, even though it was perfect where it was at. I think I messed with it, and then I put it right back where I originally had it. So Desiree, just leave it alone. It's fine. But then I'm going to, I think, wave to you guys one more time saying, hey, I'm going to have my journaling right here. And then, goodbye. And no, I go back and go, ah, that bird has gold, and that gold is kind of driving me crazy. I want to add some more gold to the layout, and I found this leaf. Now, I'm going to wave to you guys again. I'm going to walk away and think I am done. This morning, guess what I did? I added a gold heart to the title card to have that visual triangle. Uh, Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this layout. If you did, if you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And if you're new to my channel, I do hope that you consider subscribing, and you all have a great day. Bye.